quick reading for January the 19th to the 20th, a Cancer. So we have the Death card, the Nine of Pentacles, the Chariot. Meron ditong fear, no? It can be you, it can be your person. What I'm reading is the dynamic. You can switch the energies kung sino man dito yung nai-stress. Dahil yung fear dito is, meron kaming challenges nitong person ko, no? So that is given. Pero may nag-aantay dito na bakit up until now, wala pa yung movement, wala pa yung actions, hindi pa siya nag-a-approach, hindi niya pa ako kinakausap. Parang yung fear dito, does my person truly moving away, no? Drifting away from our relationship. But it felt like the stress is just in the mind. Well, of course, kasi ang nakikita natin dito, meron talagang kailangan ng pahinga. With the Chariot kasi, it surpasses the challenges, pero it requires also, kumbaga sa Chariot nga, no, sa car, parang kailangan niyan i-change oil, kumbaga. May change oil ba sa car? Yeah, I think so, no? Or motor na lang, no? Kailangan i-change oil para mas gumana ng maayos, no? Para mas ma-enjoy ang ride. This is your quick reading for January the 19th to the 20th, Cancer.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love.